Here's a good transformation question. So it says, graph the function and describe its position relative to the basic function. Okay, so this is the basic function, and this is the one that's being transformed. So the basic function is going to look something like this, like that. So that's an exponential function. So this one, the thing that's changed is that thing there and that thing there. If you look at a basic exponential function, it would look like this. F of x is equal to a, and then whatever the base is, in this case it's a 2, to the bx minus c plus d, something like that. So I've got to figure out what position the 3 is and what position the 4 is. So it looks like the 3 is a c, so that means it's moving left or right. And then the 4, the negative 4, is in the D spot. That means it's moving up or down. So let me just erase some of my scratch in there. So this 3 there must mean that the thing is moving to the left 3. Remember, you change that sign. Or instead of plus, you think it's going right, it should go left. And the minus 4 means it goes down 4. So can I do that with my current graph there? So I have to go left 3. Maybe I'll do it sort of like this. Something like that would be left 3. And then down 4. So down 4 would be something like that. Sort of like that. You could plug numbers in if you wanted to. The main thing I'm looking for there is the transformations to be left 3 and down 4. Now, just for interest, let's see how close I was. Let's do this with decimals. Okay, so y is equal to 2 to the x, just like I thought. Okay, and then the next one, y is equal to 2 to the, and then up there in brackets, I'm going to put, was it x plus 3? So x plus 3 in the bracket, and then go over, and then it was minus 4. Yeah, so I think mine was fairly close. If you want, you can take and find exact points. Like here, it looks like I have a point right there at 0, 4. So I could plug a 0 in everywhere I see, everywhere I see an x. So 0 plus 3 is 3, so it'd be 2 cubed minus 4. 2 cubed is 8. 8 take away 4 gives us 4. So if I plug a 0 in for x, I get a 4 for y, and that's that point. And you can plug in other ones too. Like this point right there might be interesting. Plug in a negative 1. So 2 to the negative 1 plus 3 minus 4. Negative 1 plus 3 is 2, and 2 squared is 4. 4 take away 4 is 0. So when you plug in a minus 1 for x, you get a 0 for y. And that's that point right there. So you could plug numbers in like that if you wanted to. But my main thing, like I said, is I'm wanting you to look at it, and be able to identify and say, that's moving it left 3, that's moving it down 4.